Hello guys, today for Bitcoin price, and yes, I can tell you something important is playing out on the chart right now, which I'm going to show you. As many of you that are following us, if you watch our previous video, we are telling you a falling wedge pattern that was playing out. Let's check the chart right now. We were telling you about this falling wedge pattern that was playing out, and in the video, the title of the video is say Bitcoin is the bull run, is the bull game over for cryptocurrency. When we were showing you this falling wedge pattern and the possible scenario that is playing out on the pattern, we are telling you that there is tendency of it forming playing like this, just as it's showing here, breaking out to the top, and exactly as predicted, we are looking at it, and if you can see the chart right now, the same thing is playing out presently. And yes, I will be showing you what's the possible scenario that might happen in the immediate short term, even in Bitcoin price. Let's return back to the chart. So from the chart, we are telling you that there is tendency that it comes here, right here, retest this support line and break to the upward. Presently it is breaking out of the resistance point, and don't forget this resistance point has been from the top of the pattern or the bull run, that is around $69,000, and this point has been so much relevant. You can see it right here, and you can also see a touch here too. You can also see this same touch here, and presently is breaking out of this resistance point at the price level of 40,000 US dollar, and we are having a candle close, a 4-hourly candle close above it. Albeit the volume is not really that if you look at the volume is not really that much at the point of the breakout. So that is one of the points we have to pay attention to. We are breaking out, but the volume is not really much. At the point of the breakout. It's something that we have to pay attention to. Then another thing we should always also expect in a falling wedge pattern is that at times we might have a breakout is coming, then come back to retest the previous resistance as support before the final movement upward. So those are some of the points we have to pay attention to as a good trader. Then another point we should pay attention to is this other chart we were showing you in our previous video. And what were we telling you in that point? We tell you that we have a great resistance point that we have to pay attention to even in the charts. So, and that point is very relevant even in the cryptocurrency. So what is that point? It's around okay, the chart is loading presently. Yeah, let's go back to the chart. So the point is this yellow region. If you look at it, undo, is this region. If you look at it, we were telling you the significance and the relevance of this support region. And don't forget, when you blow this support region, that was when we have almost 22% dump. And presently is breaking out of this blue falling wedge pattern, which will show you the yellow in the other chart. So presently is breaking out of this blue falling wedge pattern, and is presently ranging at this previous support, which might now be serving as resistance. So what am we watching for presently? What we are watching for presently is either is breaking out of this resistance point, coming to retest it and continue moving, or this resistance point is reacting to this resistance point and the coin dropping back, or breaking out of this falling wedge pattern, coming here like this, then testing this previous resistance as support before moving and finally breaking this our yellow resistance line. So those are some of the things to watch out for in Bitcoin chart presently. Albeit by the time it's breaking out of this yellow resistance point around by the time it's finally breaking out at 40, the price target is around, the price target of this thing is $40,900, almost $41,000. If you're having a daily candle close above $41,000, we know that okay, it's getting ready to move. And don't forget, we are in a weekend right now. Any breakage that is happening at weekend is always very dangerous, because most of the time markets use to come back to retest that point for the breakout, because it's happening at weekend. So the breakout is happening on this Friday, although the market is not yet closed. I mean, the general traditional market is not yet closed. So those are the points we should watch out for. However, by the time it's breaking out at this point, the point for us to also watch out for is this point to always take note, which might serve as resistance. The first point is at $46,000. The first point to pay attention to is at 46,000 US dollar. So we should pay attention to this point, 46,000 US dollar, here like this. So we should pay attention to this $46,000 because of the support and resistance, and they're about to be, as the market is moving, as the market is also continue to move. As market continue to move, we also be pointing your attention to other necessary points to pay attention to. Presently, am I in a trade? I have not entered any trade presently. What am I waiting for to enter a trade? What I'm waiting for is still this same breakage out of this our yellow resistance point. Once it's breaking out, we are entering a position. Once it's breaking out, we are entering a position with proper risk management. Then we might be adding to the position as the market is breaking upward. Guys, we are always here giving you the update. If you have not subscribed to this channel, ensure you subscribe, click the notification bell, like buttons, and as always guys, Jesus Christ is Lord, and always stay profitable. Bye bye.